Hello. Hi, this is Kinnari from Glitz Vision, USA. I hope you all are having a good time. Obviously, it's a quarantine life, and no matter how much we say that, it's a good time to connect with your friends, with your families. You can learn, new skills, but it's a forced thing. So here we are going live with Nishan, and I think he has already joined. So just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Is already here. Very punctual, I must. I've connected. 1 minute. Hi, how
Hi,
are you?
hi. I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. Okay, first of all, let me tell you, I never ever in my life thought that we'd be doing interviews like this. Instagram live chat, you at
Hmm.
your home, me at your place.
Yeah, it is. It is different. It is funny, but yeah, I think that's the new way of life right now.
Yeah, at least
Everybody's working from home. In fact, even
right.
actors have started working from home. There is something exciting coming up for all the audience, and बहुत
Great.
मजेदार कुछ होने वाला है. हम लोग कुछ बना रहे हैं हमारी
Okay.
ऑडियंस के लिए. वो बहुत जल्दी रिवील करेंगे.
Okay, cool. So tell me, Nishan, how is this quarantine thing, going? Have you lost your calm? Because we are losing actually now. It's been a month. So how's it going?
It's boring, यार. It's very boring
Uh,
to sit at home and not work.
hmm, right.
I am a work addict. मतलब मुझे काम करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It's my
जी,
favorite time pass.
जी,
तो मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि कब ये क्वारंटीन खत्म हो. हमारा जो क्वारंटीन नहीं, लॉकडाउन कहना चाहिए. क्वारंटीन
जी,
थोड़ा ज्यादा
जी,
सीरियस हो जाता है. कि
जी.
लॉकडाउन जब खत्म होगा एंड we'll all get back to our normal life. Like normal life
Right.
is now something we're looking forward to.
Right, absolutely. And so, what are the things which you are doing? Any productive things? So, everyone knows that you are a big foodie. Even
हम्म.
Kanika has said. You have also said. So, have you made anything? Have you cooked anything?
यार मैं पूरा दिन कुछ ना कुछ अपने लिए खाने को बनवाता रहता हूँ और खुद भी
Hmm.
मतलब किचन में घुस जाता हूँ जब मन करता है कुछ ना कुछ आई कंट्रीब्यूट बिकॉज आई हैव अ हाउस
Okay.
हेल्प ही मेक्स मोस्ट ऑफ माय फूड बट आई एम ऑलवेज
Mm-hmm.
देयर विद हिम आई एम सुपरवाइजिंग इट लाइक माय मॉम यूज्ड टू सुपरवाइज तो
Mm-hmm.
कटिंग वटिंग सब वो कर लेता है सब कुछ कर लेता है आई जस्ट डू माय मिक्सिंग एंड ऑल दैट.
Acha. Okay. And any web series you're watching, film you're going through, if you can tell
Yeah,
to
I'm
your
watching
viewers.
a lot of Hindi films. I'm watching the classics of Sanjeev Kumar, Rajesh Khanna,
Okay.
अमिताभ
Okay.
बच्चन. तो मैं कल रात को ही अभिमान देख रहा था. आई एम श्योर आपने भी
Acha.
देखी होगी. मैंने पहले देखी
Mm-hmm.
हुई है बट मेरा बड़ा मन कर रहा था फिर से देखने का. दीज आर ऑल ब्यूटीफुल क्लासिक्स फिल्म बाय ऋषिकेश मुखर्जी. तो कल
Right.
रात को देख रहा था मैं ये सब. तो आई एम जस्ट वाचिंग
Right.
मूवीज. आई एम कैचिंग अप ऑन ऑल दैट सिनेमा जो मैं वैसे नहीं देख पाता था. तो नाउ आई हैव द टाइम टू
Mm-hmm.
वॉच इट.
Right. And do you also read books? Is there any specific books you are reading if you are a reader?
I wasn't a reader, but now this lockdown has made me one. तो मैं
Right.
अभी मैंने आमिश त्रिपाठी की सीरीज है वो स्टार्ट करी है.
Okay.
इमॉर्टल्स ऑफ मलुहा जो उनकी पहली बुक है वो
Mm-hmm.
मैंने पूरी कर ली है. ब्यूटीफुल बुक
Mm-hmm.
अबाउट इट्स लाइक लॉर्ड शिवा इन अ फिक्शनल स्टोरी. तो बहुत कमाल की
Okay.
स्टोरी थी. एंड उसके बाद अब मैं नेक्स्ट सीरीज पे जाने वाला हूँ.
Right, right. So, what is the one thing, if I can ask you to pick one thing you're missing most due to this lockdown? What is that?
Shooting, shooting.
Okay.
Definitely, I'm missing shooting here. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, okay. And how do you think, once this lockdown will be over and, the cast and crew of Goodden is going to meet each other, क्या लगता है
Hmm.
किस तरह का reaction होगा, किस तरह से को पागलपन होगा meeting, because you people are there with each other 20, almost 12 to 13 hours. So किस तरह का reaction होगा once this lockdown is over?
Yeah, I think we'll all be very happy and very glad to be in front of each other. And we'll all
Mm-hmm.
hug each other and, just spend time with each other in person. अभी क्या हो रहा है हम लोग सब इंस्टा पे वीडियो कॉल पे बात कर पाते हैं. पर वहाँ
Right,
सामने
right,
बैठ
right.
के बात करने का अब जो कभी रियलाइज ही नहीं किया था कि ये भी कितनी बड़ी लग्जरी है जो हमको मिलती है. ये आप समझ में आ रहा है जब वो छीन छीन ली गई है हमसे.
Okay, Nishant, I just also want to ask you one thing. I've asked a lot of actors also that
Hmm.
how are you using this time to make sure that it is productive as an actor? So a lot of people said that they are watching, some type of web series, particular films, and they're just reading any kind of monologue. So what's the case with you? Are you doing anything on this line?
हाँ, like I said, I am reading books जो मैं पहले नहीं पढ़ता था. I have
Mm-hmm.
started gardening in a way because मैंने अपने balcony में
Okay.
I've put in a lot of plants and I take care of them and I watch them grow
Okay.
every day. It's a beautiful feeling
Mm-hmm.
to see them getting new flowers and ऐसा लगता है अरे वाह
Right.
मतलब because we're taking care of this life, so it's kind of budding, it's flowering. एंड वेब सीरीज ऑफ कोर्स आई वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट जो वैसे नहीं देख पाता था, अब देखने वाला हूँ। तो
जी,
एज एन एक्टर इससे ज्यादा और क्या ही कर सकते हैं।
right, right, right.
I
Okay,
can't work
tell
out,
me,
I can't do anything else, I
yeah.
can't go for dance classes.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, I would have used free time for learning new kind of things.
Hmm. Yeah, I was just going to ask this one question that it's becoming a bit difficult, to maintain, because when it comes to workout or having a
Hmm.
disciplined, eating habits, okay, it's becoming a
Hmm.
difficult to control on that. But because you people are actor, it is very necessary for you people to be in a certain
Hmm.
shape. So, कितना मुश्किल हो रहा है, वो manage करना.
बहुत मुश्किल होता है यार, बिकॉज नॉट एवरीबडी इज ब्लेस्ड विद अ वेरी हाई
Right.
मेटाबॉलिज्म एंड आई एम
Hmm.
नॉट वन ऑफ दोस पीपल। मैं if I let go I will put on weight, I will start looking bad and all those things. तो that is a struggle
Right.
which I am facing every day.
Hmm.
तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि किसी भी तरह, भले ही जिम नहीं हो पा रहा, बट एटलीस्ट कार्डियो एक्सरसाइज जो
जी,
होती हैं वो मैं भरपूर
जी.
करूँ। तो मैं बहुत ही ऊंचाई पे
हम्म.
रहता हूँ, मेरा जो फ्लैट है इट्स ऑन द
हम्म.
60th फ्लोर, 60वें माले पे है।
ओके.
तो मैं
ओके.
लिफ्ट पकड़ के -1 पे जाता हूँ, मतलब एकदम
ओ.
सबसे नीचे। और वहां से
ओके.
मैं सीढ़ियां चढ़ के ऊपर आता हूँ। तो 60 माले में चढ़
ओके.
के ऊपर आता हूँ, उसमें मुझे आधा
राइट.
घंटा लगता है। फिर वापस लिफ्ट पकड़
अच्छा.
के नीचे जाता हूँ, फिर 30-40 माले और चढ़ के आता हूँ। तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि 100 माले में रोज चढ़ूं।
राइट. जी,
तो
जी,
उससे मेरी
जी.
हालत इतनी खराब हो जाती है ना कि मतलब लगता है कि ठीक है, मैंने कुछ किया, आज मेहनत करी मैंने, आज मैं खाना
राइट.
खा
एंड
सकता हूँ।
about yourself also.
हाँ।
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So Nishant, I was just going through, and I just remember it's been more than 10 years of
हम्म।
you started your career. Just correct me if I'm wrong. In 2009, and it's
2010
been more
एक्चुअली।
than 10. 10. Okay, so 2010, and it's been approximately 10 years, nine and
या।
a half years. And so just tell me, because this is the time that people get a lot of nostalgic. हम सोचते हो कि हमने life में ये किया, because free time है सबके पास, and people think a lot. So I'm just asking you, how has been those 10 years? And sometimes do you have this thing that, oh God, I've come a long way, 10 साल हो गए? So just any quick reaction on that, because it's a question which fans are also asking. So.
मैं अगर अपने आप को देखता तो एक्चुअली आई थिंक द लास्ट 10 years have been quite an experience for me, because I
Hmm.
started with television, then I quit
Right.
television by my own choice, then for a few
Right.
years I did a couple of films, then I again
Hmm.
quit everything, and for 2 years I
Right.
went to schools and I learned acting. I did a couple of
Hmm.
diplomas in advanced acting techniques. तो 2 साल मैंने कुछ काम नहीं
Hmm.
किया, सिर्फ पढ़ाई करी एक्टिंग की। फिर वापस आया और फिर मैंने 2 साल पहले ये शो ज्वाइन किया, गुड्डन तुमसे ना हो पाएगा। तो इट्स बिन एन
Right.
एक्सपीरियंस। I've been part of every kind of entertainment.
See.
I've been in web series, I've been in films, I've been in television. But now I
Hmm.
think my actual journey as an actor starts now. This is what I'm thinking.
Okay. And
अभी
why?
तक सिर्फ
Why do you
लर्निंग
think that?
एक्सपीरियंस था।
Mm-hmm.
Because abhi tak I have not been at one place for a long time.
Yeah.
I've been jumping from one to another. So I haven't really,
Hmm.
made a very solid route
Hmm.
in any one kind of industry in entertainment. तो अब जब
Mm-hmm.
टेलीविजन स्टार्ट हुआ है वापस से, एंड इट्स टच वुड ब्लेस्ड मी सो मच विद सो मच लव फ्रॉम द
Right.
फैंस, सो मच सक्सेस, सो मच ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन। आई थिंक I'm rooting myself now for the first time in life in one medium. तो अब मैं देखता हूँ कि यहाँ से मेरी जर्नी कहाँ ले जाती है मुझे।
Gee. So, on the same note, we want to ask that, in this journey, what has been the most challenging phase for you as an actor?
The most challenging phase for me as an
Okay.
actor,
Yeah.
see, for any actor, I think failures are the most challenging, and
Hmm.
I think they're also the most rewarding. ये
Hmm.
दोनों चीजें
Yeah.
हैं साथ में। तो I have seen my bit of failure in some projects that I've done in the middle, but अब ऐसा है कि touchwood, it has taught me so much. It's made me such a strong person and a strong actor that now I don't think failure will
Right.
ever be in front of me. Yeah.
Right, right. Nishant, on the same note, be it any profession, whether it's acting, journalism, or anything, there's always come this moment professionally when you doubt on yourself that, okay, what I'm doing, is it right? Or, just have some of your doubts. So I just want to ask you, what's that one moment, or was there any phase where you really questioned that, am I going on the right track? And you just doubted yourself. It was like a big jolt to you. So anything on that?
But I think when you do ये अगर एक मोमेंट पूछना हो जब मैं सबसे ज्यादा लो था एज एन एक्टर,
Hmm.
So I had done a film called Bezuban Ishq. It was a beautiful
Okay.
film. Even today on YouTube, people
Hmm.
are watching it like anything. I get
Hmm.
I get mails and I get comments and I get messages from fans till date that how much they love that film. But that film
Love that
couldn't
film.
see a good release because of
Hmm.
certain reasons, technical reasons. So yeah,
Hmm.
that's the point when you feel कि यार even after doing your best, अपना best करने के बाद भी अगर
जी.
मैं अगर वो चीज नहीं ऑडियंस तक नहीं पहुंच पा रही है ठीक से तो
Hmm.
क्या है यार मतलब फिर क्या ही इतनी मेहनत है क्यों कर रहे हैं बट देन यू हैव टू
Right.
रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ कि एक बार अक्षय कुमार जी ने एक बहुत कमाल की बात बोली थी कि एक्टर के हाथ में नहीं होता है ये सब
Hmm.
एक्टर का काम
Hmm.
है सेट पे जाना और अपना बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस रोज देना और काम
Right.
करते रहो
Right.
मेहनत करते रहो आपकी सक्सेस वगैरह सब कुछ आपको कहीं ना कहीं ऑन द रोड मिल ही जाएगी बट द ओनली थिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू इज नेवर स्टॉप एंड जस्ट कीप
Right.
वर्किंग एंड कीप वर्किंग so that's what
Right.
picked me up again.
Right. Nishan, there's also one thing I want to ask. When you have these moments of confusion, conflicts, and doubts, what's the one thing which actually makes you to bounce back and like, no, I have to do my work? Is there any one thing, one person, or anything?
Of course, you have your loved ones, you have your people who are there to motivate you. But
Right.
मैंने अपने लिए हमेशा एक ऐसी कंडीशन रखी कि आई विल नेवर हैव अ प्लान बी
Okay.
पीपल हु हैव प्लान बी हु हैव अ सेफ्टी नेट जिनके पास होता है कि यार ये नहीं चला तो मैं ये कर लूंगा मैंने कभी
Right.
सोचा ही नहीं उस डायरेक्शन में इसलिए मैंने
Hmm.
कभी प्लान बी बनाया ही नहीं तो कभी भी कुछ भी होता है तो मैं अपने आप को यही पूछता हूँ कि ये नहीं करेगा तो और क्या करेगा तो कोई जवाब नहीं
Right.
होता तो यही करना
Oh.
है और यही बेस्ट करना है और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं गेट अप एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग अगेन वट एवर
Right.
you've learned whatever you
Hmm.
failed at get up do it better this time
Hmm.
so that's
Hmm.
why
Hmm.
they say failures are the stepping stones to success they are actually that.
Right, right. Okay, Nishant, my next question to you is that, because you are an actor who has been, I think, to every platform, you have done a web series, you have done films, you have done,
Yeah.
shows. And recently, and you are also aware that, a lot of time TV celebrities have been very vocal that, just because they have belonged to TV industry, they face certain kind of unnecessary, judgment, discrimination. Like recently, Hina Khan was vocal that just because, she belonged to TV, a lot of Indian designers, when she was going to Cannes, said, no, no, you up TV se hota, ab kya kar paoge? And, something like that. So I just want to ask you, was there any moment in your life when you faced an unnecessary judgment and unnecessary thing just because you belong to TV industry?
आई थिंक इसमें ना जो लोग जज कर रहे हैं उनकी भी गलती नहीं है और जो लोग
Hmm.
जज हो रहे हैं उनकी तो बिल्कुल गलती नहीं है
जी.
सी टेलीविजन इज अ मीडियम ऑफ स्लो स्टोरी टेलिंग
Right.
समझ रहे हैं मतलब मुझे अगर 500 एपिसोड अगर एक कहानी
Hmm.
लिखनी होगी तो मैं
Hmm.
वन पॉइंट टू अनदर पॉइंट जंप नहीं करूंगा बहुत जल्दी आई विल टेक इट स्लो आई विल ग्रेजुअली ताकि मेरे पास मटेरियल रहे
Hmm.
so in that a lot of times we have to exaggerate a lot we have to do a little bit of हमें थोड़ी सी ओवर एक्टिंग करनी पड़ती है कभी कभी हमें
जी.
थोड़ा
Hmm.
लॉजिक को भूल कर भी
Hmm.
सीन्स करने पड़ते हैं तो
Hmm.
उससे क्या होता है कि जो जो फिल्म के जो डिपार्टमेंट के लोग होते हैं जो वेब सीरीज वाले लोग होते हैं उनको ऐसा
Hmm.
लगता है कि शायद ये एक्टर्स ही ऐसे हैं what they
Hmm.
need to realize is that we are actually the most versatile actors possible
I
because
see. Hmm.
we can leave logic and still deliver a very very convincing performance
Which is very difficult.
तो हम जैसे एक्टर्स को जब आप टेलीविजन या वेब सीरीज देते हो तो इट्स लाइक अ गिफ्ट टू अस कि नाउ वी हैव लॉजिक्स नाउ वी हैव एवरीथिंग इन अ वेरी पेसी फास्ट वे अब हम एक प्रॉपर कहानी में प्रॉपर कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं जो 2 घंटे में 2.5 घंटे में पूरी कहानी बता देगा
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
तो जो लोग जज कर रहे हैं मुझे उनको लगता है कि दे विल सून रियलाइज बिकॉज एनीवे
Right.
नाउ विद दिस होल कोरोना एंड एवरीथिंग
Hmm.
fortunately or unfortunately I would say film business is going to suffer now television
Okay.
and web are what the future is and
Right.
there is so much content being made इतना काम हो रहा है इतने सारे वेब चैनल्स आ गए हैं कि
Hmm.
एक्टर्स की जरूरत पड़ने वाली है बहुत ज्यादा and you
Right.
cannot find better actors than the ones that you get on television because we
Hmm.
are the most versatile people.
Right. Okay, Nishant, you just mentioned that how you have actually आप अपना workout का ध्यान रख रहे हैं and आप literally इतने stairs उतार चढ़ाव कर रहे हैं. There's also one thing which I wanted to ask. Normally, when we talk about body shaming or any such thing, often सिर्फ actresses की बात ज़्यादा आई है ना, that they have faced such issue. I want to ask you as an actor, does having a proper health or a certain amount of body structure, does it sometimes थोड़ा रहता है कि oh god थोड़ा stress लेता है? And have you ever faced anything just because of a particular way your body was at that certain point of time?
I think it's important to look good, first of all, because that's one of the first things that people look at when they're
Right.
casting main leads in most of the shows. अब वो मैं सही है कि गलत उस पर क्या ही कमेंट करूं. People want
जी.
to see beautiful people. It's
Right.
kind of a universal thing. But at the same time, I absolutely believe that uh, it doesn't make you a good actor. Uh, you might be the most beautiful person, the most handsome looking boy, or the most beautiful looking girl. But that doesn't make you a good actor. A good actor comes from within, and that has nothing to do with looks.
Right, right. Okay, so we'll just take two questions and then we'll just ask the fans question, which your fans have sent. So the question is that it's been a very beautiful journey, and I want to congratulate for making it. So long. I mean, because surviving in this industry for 10 years or even 1 year is not an easy thing. So, on that note, I wanted to ask, because you're someone, you have also told us in Glitz Vision USA interviews also that how from Kolkata, you made this journey to Mumbai. And as you're someone who's not from this industry, tell me something that as an outsider, did you faced anything, which you thought you have faced just because you were an outsider? Have you been, related to this film industry or TV industry? वैसा नहीं होता. So any advice basically to the people, who are outsider and who want to make big in the TV or the film industry?
यार थोड़ा सा तो मुझे ये लगता है कि people who are from the film industry have have an easier access. They get their foot in the door easy. ये होता ही है a lot of times, because I think because they have the resources, they have the contacts, they have the people, so they like to promote, they like to push their own family and all that, which is okay. I think it's okay. Let them, no issues. उसको आप change नहीं कर सकते हो. मेरे साथ ऐसा जरूर हुआ है कि कई बार हुआ है कि when I have given auditions for some films, तो auditions के बाद मुझे पता चलता है कि they have casted somebody who was somebody, some film stars XYZ nephew, किसी का बेटा था, किसी डायरेक्टर का वो nephew है, niece है, ये पता चलता ही रहता है चीजें सब. तो उस वक्त थोड़ा बुरा लगता है, but then that's the way of the world. You can't do anything
Right,
about it. स्ट्रगल
right.
यही है कि देखो, इट्स नॉट अ परफेक्ट वर्ल्ड, अनफेयर है, लेकिन ये हर इंडस्ट्री में होता है. तो
Right.
आपकी स्ट्रगल यही है कि विथ योर टैलेंट एंड हार्ड वर्क यू बीट दैट biasedness that is going on, and you make your way despite all the struggles and all the difficulties.
Right,
तो
right.
वो मजा अलग ही है उसका, उस अचीवमेंट का, आई थिंक, है ना.
Right, right. So, Nishant, what has been your biggest achievement? The one thing which you consider, it's my biggest achievement when it comes to your profession.
Yeah, just being known as a good actor is a very big achievement for me, because
Yeah.
I honestly believe that I was a very bad actor in the beginning of my career. Till
Can
the
you tell
point,
me about yourself?
I believe that I was a very bad actor in the beginning of
Okay.
my career. Even today, I think there is a lot for me to learn, a lot for me to do better. But at least now I see that people from the industry, people who really matter, who have seen this industry for a long time, my fans, when they consider me as somebody who's a decent actor, I think that's a very, very big achievement for me.
Right, right, right. So, any specific character which you really want to play, at one point of time in your acting career, ऐसा कुछ मन में कि ऐसा character तो play करना है, and तब कहीं जाके वो acting fulfill होगा जो अंदर का
या मैंने
creativity है.
रॉकस्टार देखी थी ना जब रणबीर कपूर की, तो मैं बड़ा इंस्पायर हो गया था. मतलब मुझे लगा था कि ऐसा कैरेक्टर पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, मतलब किसी के लिए आसानी
Okay.
से प्ले कर पाना. तो अगर आपने वो प्ले कर लिया, अगर मैंने वो किसी दिन प्ले कर लिया उतने उतने कन्विक्शन के साथ, तो मुझे
जी.
बड़ा सेटिस्फाइंग फील होगा उस दिन.
And out of all the characters which you have played till now, including the web series and the film, what has been the most challenging character for you?
I think playing AJ. the character I'm playing right now is one of
Okay.
the most challenging ones because उसकी layers बहुत हैं. बाहर से इतना कठोर इंसान है, अंदर से इतना नरम है, इतना इमोशनल है, इतना प्यार करता है. तो वो जो लेयरिंग है उसकी, हर रिश्ते के साथ उसकी एक अलग केमिस्ट्री है, हर एक को अलग तरीके से मेंटेन करता है. वो मुझे
जी.
बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगा. तो मुझे लगता है ये काफी
Right.
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था कैरेक्टर.
Right, right. So, यही हम we'll just take them fans question, and the very first question is that when you first started shooting for Good Run, did you ever thought that the show is going to receive so much appreciation and even your character? That's the first question.
हाँ, मुझे मुझे एक गट फीलिंग थी कि ये शो बहुत अच्छा चलेगा. मुझे कैरेक्टर बहुत अच्छा लगा था, इतना डिफिकल्ट था, इतना इतना लवेबल कैरेक्टर था कि मुझे लगा था कि नहीं, ये 100% सक्सेसफुल होना ही है, कैरेक्टर को भी और शो को भी. आई न्यू इट.
So, Nishant, any particular scene or any particular, track of your character, which was, because you said it's any which way is a challenging character for you. So, any particular track or, scene which was, which actually drained out you as an actor, because actors has those moments. So, आपके लिए वो कौन सा moment था?
बहुत सारे ऐसे सीन्स हैं, लेकिन जब भी ये सवाल पूछते हैं मेरे मन में एक ही सीन याद आता है मुझे. हम जब लीप लेने वाले थे
Okay.
शो का, तो उसमें जहाँ मेरी शादी होने वाली होती है अंतरा से,
Okay.
वहां पर पता चलता है कि गुड्डन ने अंतरा की जगह ले ली है एंड समथिंग हैज हैपेंड. एंड मतलब एक बहुत ही बड़ी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है रिगार्डिंग गुड्डन्स अबॉर्शन. तो उस सीन में आई थिंक 2 एपिसोड लंबा सीन था वो. मतलब एक ही सीन है जो 2 एपिसोड तक चल रहा था. एंड इतना बोलना था, इतना इमोशनल था उस सीन, उसमें इतनी लेयरिंग थी, उसमें हर्ट था, उसमें एंगर था, उसमें प्यार भी था, उसमें चीटिंग भी थी, उसमें दुख भी था, फ्रॉड भी फील हो रहा था. तो इतनी सारी चीजें थी उसमें कि मुझे लगता है आज तक का सबसे ड्रेनिंग सीन मेरे लिए वही था.
Okay. Okay. So the second question is that when you first met Kanika, did you ever thought that you're going to share an amazing bond with her, or is it like you people took your own time and then gradually वो bond बढ़ा? लेकिन पहला thought क्या था when you started working with her?
ये पहला थॉट, आई फेल्ट दैट थोड़ी मेच्योर है, थोड़ी सी बच्चों जैसी है, तो कैसे मतलब सीरियस होगी कि नहीं होगी. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग आई रियलाइज, पहले दिन के बाद ही रियलाइज कि नहीं यार, शी इज समबडी हु इज वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, वेरी पैशनेट. तो या it was gradual, but it was slow and steady.
Right. Okay. And also, so Kanika had a live chat with some other channel, and she revealed quite a few secrets about you. That how you are very pro in catching whether she's having a good day or a bad day, and you love to give surprises to the cast of Good Done. So you tell us anything, because these are some things which we really didn't knew about you. So now you tell me anything about Kanika, which we don't know, or जो fans नहीं जानते हैं.
Yeah, I think she's very, very sharp, very intelligent. So she is also very good at reading body languages, very good at understanding the real meaning of what people are trying to say, and basically very good at reading people. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So can you reveal one scene of you and Kanika where you loved the give and take which happened between you both as an actors? Is there any one particular favorite scene of yours?
यही वाला जो बता रहा था, लीप के पहले वाला जो सीन था ना, इट वॉज एक्चुअली अ वेरी इंटेंस सीन बिटवीन मी एंड गुड्डन. तो उस सीन को करते वक्त हम दोनों का आई थिंक पूरा एनर्जी, पूरी जितनी एक्टिंग आती है सब लग गई. And it was a very nice give and take that happened there, and we both really appreciated each other's performance in that.
And how do you sort out differences, when because suppose if there's I don't know if it has happened with you or not, but suppose if there's a particular scene, as an actors you both have different approach towards that scene. तो अगर ऐसा कभी हुआ है तो किस तरह से वो differences sort out किए हैं?
Professionally यार, अपना अपना point of view रखते हैं, डायरेक्टर भी साथ में होते हैं हमारे, and we discuss it. और जो भी चीज, it's like a vote kind of a thing, जो सबसे ज्यादा convince सबको कर रहा है, we do that. कन्विंस हो ना हो, करना तो है ही. तो जो मास को, हमारी जो टीम जो वहाँ कन्विंस हो जाती है सब लोग मिलके, तो हम उसको करते हैं. उस वक्त पर्सनल ईगोस को लेट गो कर देते हैं, कोई फर्क थोड़ी पड़ता है. आज मेरी बात नहीं सुनी, कल मेरी सुनेंगे, ऐसे चलता रहता है. इट्स अ डिस्कशन, वेरी हेल्दी डिस्कशन, क्रिएटिव.
Right. Okay. And so I've seen one thing. Well, obviously we visit the sets. Normal, we have visited sets, and I once I recall that Kanika was really not feeling well, and you were there for her. आपको से I think आपको से पानी पिलाने में भी help करते, because I think she was not so well कि वो शायद खड़ी भी नहीं हो पा रही थी, and in spite of that, she had to shoot. So I have seen you people like, very rare. I think I've not seen कि आप दोनों, any tension between you two. You people are very chilled out. I had just seen having, आप दोनों, मस्ती कर रहे हैं, मजाक कर रहे हैं, even between shoots, taking care of each other. But, your fan wants to know, has there been any phase in your friendship या कभी एक ऐसा argument हुआ where you got scared कि, oh God, अभी मुझसे बात करेगी, नहीं करेगी, any argument or anything which has have ever happened between you two?
हो जाता है यार, when you're working 12 hours a day, every day, साथ में हो, सारे मोस्टली सीन साथ में होते हैं, तो कभी कभी डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन कई बार हो जाता है, और उसमें कभी कभी जाने अनजाने में कोई बात किसी को चुभ जाती है. But then we have to be mature about it, and we have to let go. We have to talk, communicate, and then get rid of those small misunderstandings. तो वही हम भी करते हैं.
So who's the first one to communicate? Like, चलो छोड़ो यार, let's go and let's have a good time.
It's very that, कभी भी कोई भी दोनों में से कर लेता है.
अच्छा, कभी you and और कभी
जिसके जो ज्यादा देर चुप नहीं रह पा रहा वो आके बोल देता है कि भाई क्या प्रॉब्लम है, बात करो.
Okay, cool. Okay, so we suppose now, because it's the quarantine is going, and so there's a hypothetical question कि अगर quarantine के बाद आपको एक बदली हुई कनिका मिले and सिर्फ एक change होगा उसमें, तो वो आप क्या change उसमें देखना चाहेंगे?
कुछ भी नहीं. I think she's perfect.
It's perfect. Okay, cool. Okay, now here, it's a small segment which we are going to play with you. We are just going to tell you few words, and आप जिससे भी उसे अपने cast and crew में relate कर पाए, आपको बस उनका नाम बताना है. Okay?
ठीक है.
Okay, so the first is, who's the most punctual on the sets of Good Din तुमसे ना हो पाएगा? Most punctual.
Cast या crew दोनों में से?
No, cast. In this case, cast.
Most punctual. दादी.
Yeah.
दादी हमारी most punctual है.
Okay, दादी.
Most, मतलब वो call time से आधा घंटा पहले पहुंच जाती है.
Okay. Who's the late comer? If you can say. Then.
कई लोग हैं, मैं भी उनमें से एक हूँ. हम लोग अक्सर लेट होते हैं. 10-15 मिनट चलता है यार.
Yeah, 10-15 minutes is okay. Okay, who's the biggest foodie?
I'm the biggest foodie. मेरे बाद I think Kanika, and then लक्ष्मी बहू.
Okay, cool. Okay. Pack-up की जल्दी किसको रहती है?
Pack-up की जल्दी सरिश, लक्ष्मी बहू, क्योंकि उसको जिम करना होता है. She's a very fit girl.
Okay. Who loves to sleep? मतलब अगर 15 मिनट का ब्रेक है या सीन में अभी टाइम है तो he or she just want to relax and sleep. So who loves to sleep?
Yeah, we all get very tired, but I think Daljit Antara. उसको 20 मिनट भी देते हो ना तो वो पावर नैप लेके आ जाती थी अपनी. मस्त.
अच्छा, okay. Who's your 3 a.m. or let's say the closest friend from the sets of Good Din? And you have to answer that.
Yes, I think it's both Daljit and Kanika both.
Yeah. Okay. Who are the two people who are inseparables? Like, आप कभी भी देखो, अगर वो दोनों सेट पे मौजूद है तो वो दोनों जन एक दूसरे के साथ ही दिखते हैं.
दुर्गा बहू और लक्ष्मी बहू, Shweta and Sarish. Always together. They're like twins.
Okay. Who is the 24/7 entertainment package? सबको entertain करना and सबका spirit high रखना, वो कौन है?
24/7 entertainment package. यार ऐसा तो कोई नहीं है, but हाँ, I think सभी मस्ती तो करते रहते हैं अपने
at their own time. Okay. Who takes the most time to get ready?
Kanika does, because her outfits are very detailed, and सब हर costume में channel का approval चाहिए होता है, तो उसको बेचारी को time ज़्यादा लगता है.
Right. Okay. Who laughs at serious situation or it's an intense scene but वो हंसी नहीं control कर पाता है?
That's Kanika. Good done.
That's Kanika. And mostly I think आपने ही face किया होगा reciprocation जो भी होता है.
मैं ही face करता हूँ, हाँ.
So any particular scene जब बहुत ही intense था and it was actually getting difficult, ऐसा कुछ भी अगर आप share कर सकते हैं अपने fans के साथ?
मतलब ऐसे बिल्कुल पिन पॉइंट करके तो मैं याद नहीं कर पाऊंगा, लेकिन समझो फॉर एग्जांपल कोई मर रहा है और मुझे रिएक्शन देने हैं और मैं उसको बता रहा हूँ कि वो मर गया है, ऐसा हो गया, वैसा हो गया, और वो आग बंद करके ऐसे कर रही है मेरे सामने, कैसे फिर, मतलब मुश्किल तो होती है ना.
Right. Okay, cool. Okay, who's the selfie king or selfie queen on your set?
Selfie king तो I think एक अपना पर्व है, रिहान.
हम्म।
सेल्फी क्वीन बहुत सारी हैं, कनिका है, सरीश है, श्वेता है,
हाँ।
सभी हैं।
Who's the one take artist?
वन टेक आर्टिस्ट,
हम्म।
यस, करते करते सभी बहुत अच्छा करने लगे, एवरीबॉडी सो गुड विद देयर कैरेक्टर्स, बट आई थिंक दादी इज एक्सट्रीमली गुड, शी इज वेरी गुड। या
Okay, okay. Who's the chatterbox?
चैटरबॉक्स, सरीश अली, शी इज अ चैटरबॉक्स, बैठ जाओ उसके
Oh,
साथ, शी कैन कीप ऑन टॉकिंग।
right, right, right. Who's the listener जो आप सबकी बातें सुनता है?
मैं बहुत अच्छा लिसनर हूँ, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट।
हाँ हाँ
मैं
हाँ
किसी
हाँ।
की भी बातें घंटों तक सुन सकता हूँ विदाउट सेइंग अ
Right.
वर्ड।
Right, right. Okay, so we are just going to take this few questions जो हमें live chat पे आ रहे हैं, and then
जी जी
we'll be
बोलिए।
done with the live chat. So Shruti is asking, who is Nishant's Jeevan Sangini?
माय कैमरा।
Sorry.
माय कैमरा शूटिंग इज माय
Okay.
जीवन संगिनी। उसके अलावा
Right,
तो
right.
अभी तो कुछ है ही नहीं यार, सीन क्या बताऊं।
Right, right, right. Okay, Neha is asking that your first scene in Milichap Hum Tum, I think it was a scene where you were racked. So how was the shooting of that scene? So basically, the first time you shot for a serial, how was that shooting?
आई वाज शिवरिंग, मतलब ऐसे था,
Hmm.
मेरे हाथ पैर ऐसे थे, मतलब मैं लाइफ में पहली बार कैमरा के लिए एक्टिंग कर रहा था, तो मुझे
Hmm.
ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा, नर्वस बहुत था मैं। तो आई थिंक
Hmm. Hmm.
इन वन वर्ड आई वुड से एक्सट्रीमली एंग्शियस इज द वर्ड, या।
Right, right, right. Okay. Rajesh is asking that one thing Nishant loved being as an actor. What is that one thing?
The ability to live somebody else's life,
Hmm.
that's what I
That
love the
is that.
most. Yeah.
Right, right. Your favorite song from Good. I think you have used many songs from
हाँ,
Good. So favorite.
लकीरें,
Yeah.
the first song, that's my favorite till date.
Okay. Okay. This is very good. Will you marry a girl of your mother's choice? That was the question.
Of course, why not? I think she would choose an
Right.
amazing girl for me. She knows me very well, so
Right, 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 right.
yeah.
Okay, Raj is asking one thing you miss about Kanika the most.
Um, miss the most, yeah, हमारी बात तो
Hmm.
होती रहती है, तो क्या ही मैं मिस करूं, but I think yeah, just that whole fun on the sets that we have together, that's what I miss the
Hmm.
most, yeah.
Right, right, right. Okay, so Nishant, thank you so much for this chat. We
Welcome.
had a lovely time with you. Just the last
Thank you.
question which I wanted to ask is that, how much we say, that use this time to connect with your family, friends, learn a new skill, but people are, losing out their calm. They do become restless.
Hmm.
So any advice to your fans on this thing, how to cope up with this thing? So any advice or on that?
यार, दिस टू शैल पास, ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा, ये किसी ने कभी सोचा नहीं था, इट्स अनप्रेसिडेंटेड। तो यही बोलूंगा मैं कि प्लीज डोंट गिव अप गाइस, डू समथिंग, डू एनीथिंग, बट पास दिस
Right.
टाइम विद पेशेंस, एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल, टेक केयर ऑफ ईच अदर।
Okay, and any message to your fans?
यही, just be patient, stay indoors, be patient, follow the protocols that have been given to you by the government.
Right.
Just be safe and be good. God bless you all.
Okay, thank you so much, Nishant. It was lovely chatting with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kennedy. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Take care.